Good evening. We have a video update on the potential winter weather that we are expecting for the latter half of this work week. Here in the Red River Valley, eastern North Dakota, and northwest west central Minnesota, we are expecting an early season winter storm. Widespread snow accumulations are likely, and heavy snow is possible somewhere over the area, although placement of that heaviest snow is still uncertain. It's expected to begin Wednesday evening in the Devil's Lake Basin, and then rain will be changing over to snow in the Red River Valley on Thursday, and later in the day on Thursday across western Minnesota, and then snow is expected to continue through Friday and Saturday. Significant travel impacts are likely, especially Friday and Saturday, as winds begin to pick up. So currently we have a winter storm watch for all of eastern North Dakota, northwest and west central Minnesota, and this is valid starting Wednesday night in the Devil's Lake Basin, and then Thursday across the Red River Valley and portions of Minnesota. And the watch continues through Friday and into Saturday morning. We're expecting the system to come in as 2 rounds. Round number 1 will be season's first significant snowfall, and we're expecting some fairly heavy accumulations across central North Dakota into the Devil's Lake Basin. The Red River Valley is very uncertain. We're not quite sure where exactly the rain-snow line will set up, so there could be a very tight gradient between heavy snow and no snow somewhere in the Red River Valley. And over in Minnesota, we're expecting precipitation with the first round to be mostly rainfall. Round number 2 will be Friday into Saturday, and again, amounts are still very uncertain at this point, but there is significant winter impacts that are likely, a very high risk of greater than 6 inches of snow across central and eastern North Dakota into far northwestern Minnesota, and there's even some risk of greater than a foot of snow. And this is in addition to round number 1 on Wednesday and Thursday. Winds will also be picking up, so blizzard conditions will be possible. There will be large impacts to agriculture, and with heavy snow on trees that still have leaves, some branches could be coming down, and possible power outages. Now, this system is somewhat similar to the October 10th of 2018 storm that we had last year. In that one, there was a band of heavy snow from the Cheyenne River Basin up towards the northern Red River Valley and northwestern Minnesota of some very heavy snow, and it was a very tight band of heavy snow amounts. The main difference is this time we are expecting a larger area of very heavy snow across a wider area. And so those high impacts of heavy snow and possible power outages and crippled travel could be over a wider area. So what to do is, for now, be aware that travel impacts will be likely, particularly at the Friday and Saturday of this week. Put a winter survival kit in your vehicle if you have to travel, maybe think about canceling unnecessary plans. And be aware that for those areas that receive the heaviest snow, which we are still uncertain, there will be tree damage and power outages possible. The forecast may change, and so stay tuned for updated forecasts as we continue to put those out in the coming days. Thank you for listening.